भारत के गैर कानूनी जेर कब्जा जम्मू और कश्मीर में सच लिखने और जमीनी हकायक को पेश करने की पादाश में कश्मीरी सहाफियों की जबाबंदी की जा रही है। इसकी ताजा तरीन मिसाल काबिज भारत सरकार की जानिब से गुज़श्ता दिनों मकबूजा जम्मू और कश्मीर से छपने वाले पुराने और मकबूल अंग्रेजी अखबार कश्मीर टाइम्स के दफातर को सील करना है।
The last 14 months, media has been, there are attempts to gag the media and completely impose silence on the media, a new wave of censorship in Kashmir, which is already reeling under a crisis for many, many years. And it appears to be part of that policy. And particularly targeting me because I have been and my organization has been consistently critiquing the government policies and actions. We have been trying to bring in as many voices of the marginalized and oppressed people as we can, and showing the ground realities to the best of our ability, and which is not to the government's liking, because they want the media to completely toe the government line and show only one kind of narrative. There is complete intolerance to another kind. Other than that, last year I had gone to court against the communication ban, which had impacted the working of media, including my organization. And that is also something that may not have been liked. And perhaps that time I was in court, so they did withdraw the advertisement support to Kashmir Times.
मकबूजा जम्मू और कश्मीर में सहाफत कभी भी आसान पेशा नहीं रहा, मगर पिछले साल के गैर कानूनी भारतीय कदम के बाद से कश्मीरी सहाफियों की मुश्किलात में मजीद इजाफा हो गया है और उनके लिए सच लिखना मजीद मुश्किल हो गया है।
Journalism has never been a cakewalk in Kashmir since the 90s. We hear from our seniors that how difficult it was to be a journalist in those days. It has gotten, so worse that more than 32 journalists have been summoned, interrogated, intimidated, and summoned to police stations, and also cases, fabricated cases filed against them and evicted from government allotted quarters. And the advertisements cut. So the assault is on multiple, is in multiple ways, and it has not only criminalized journalism in Kashmir, but it has caused huge psychological barriers. It has caused psychological pressures on journalists. It has caused psychological pain to the families. It's very difficult to survive as a journalist in Kashmir in present day time.
काबिज भारत सरकार की जानिब से कश्मीरी सहाफियों को हरासा किया जाता है और तफ्तीश के नाम पर उन्हें थानों में बुलाकर उनकी तस्दीक की जाती है।
I think it is the most difficult period for journalism in Kashmir in these times because there are a lot of restrictions. There are invisible restrictions, there are physical challenges like that journalists, editors are getting summoned by police. I have been detained. I have had 3 encounters with the authorities in the last 6-7 months. 2 of them have been the summons, and once recently, 2 weeks ago, I was detained from a national highway and questioned for 4.5 hours. So it's very hard that what kind of content that you will publish. I think the challenge is also that when you are just few of the people who are writing and following the news that we used to do all the while, and that is the journalist's job, it becomes more difficult. I'm not saying that there is other media publications are not doing their job, but it is being done differently, and there is a lot of pressure on them also. There's a lot of pressure on everyone else. But this is the high time that journalism in Kashmir should not crumble, should not crush. And on top of that, the government has also introduced a media policy, which is a draconian media policy, under which journalists can be questioned, investigated, and their backgrounds will be checked. And we have been continuously demanding, and I, as the editor of this publication, have been writing constantly that this media policy should be revoked and it should not be imposed on media in Kashmir, because then there will be no free press in Kashmir.
इंसानी हुकूक की आलमी तंजीमों, खास तौर पर सहाफियों के आलमी इदारों को मकबूजा जम्मू और कश्मीर में सच को मंजर आम पर लाने की पादाश में सहाफती इदारों और सहाफियों के साथ रमा रखे गए नारवा सलूक का नोटिस लेकर भारत के खिलाफ तादीबी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।